who complaining, bitch, but they ain't in our sitch. But they keep complaining and keep it raining. Our country stays failing, and it's gonna stay that way. Keep the hate at bay, unless we come together like two birds of a feather, dressed in leather. And you could brag about your fancy cars and keep fucking bitches straight out the bars, but shit won't change, so I just reach for the stars.